Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. We're here to talk about how to make a proportion into a mixed fraction. Now, in order for you to do that, oftentimes there's going to be long division involved. And so let's do a couple examples and you'll see how this works. Now, for example, if you have the proportion 12/5 and you want to turn that into a mixed fraction, all you do is do a little simple division exercise. The denominator goes outside, numerator goes inside, and then you have to ask yourself, 5 goes in 12, how many times? That's going to be 2. And then you do the basic multiplication, subtraction, remainder, and go from there. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And so it's going to be 2 remainder 2. Now to convert this to a mixed fraction, you write the whole number, which is 2, and then keep the denominator, which is 5, and then write the remainder there. So 12/5, it's like 2 2/5. Now another example real quick, if you have, let's just say 100 over 13, same kind of idea. Divide 13 into 100. Takes a little bit of thought, but let's see, 13 does not go into 10, but 13 goes into 100, we think 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 1 is 7, add the 2 is going to be 9, subtract. 100 minus 91 is 9, so it'll be remainder 9. Now to convert this to a mixed fraction, write the whole number down, keep the denominator as is, and then the numerator is always going to be the remainder. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and there's a couple of examples on how to convert proportions into mixed fractions.